Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other based faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, this is the website. This website pay you Bitcoin Cash and instantly in your faucet pay. Just go to your faucet pay, copy your Bitcoin Cash wallet orders from here, just come down. This is Bitcoin Cash wallet orders you have. Just copy it and come here, paste it. Okay, just delete this Bitcoin Cash on and just solve this little capture aim with her. Okay, just solve this little capture. Is 8 5 2 and 6 and just click get reward. Okay, this website pay you instantly new faucet pay. You can see I received this message to share every 5 minutes. I can claim and to my faucet pay. Just I go to my faucet pay, just come down and you can see this much BCH I received instantly in my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning websites. Okay, bye bye for now.